Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I appreciate you speaking with me this morning. And I totally get why you don't want to work with anybody who deals with Home Advisor, which is exactly why I reached out because we don't like those lead services either. We don't like you getting taken advantage of, and that's why this video is so important. I'm about to show you some tricks and tips that you can apply today so that you can get more leverage and be seen, be more competitive, outrank your competitors, etc. So these tools are really important and they're going to help you get started on that. So bear with me just a few minutes. As you can see, we are on your website and you have a nice looking website. You've got some nice pictures and a little bit of content. Okay. So it does have a nice look to it. Let's see, locations. Your locations link is broken. I do see that you have multiple locations, so you're going to need a different location page for each location you service that has any keyword volume. Now, the rule of thumb in Google for your homepage is you should have a minimum of about 1,000 to 1,500 words, which are targeting your buyer intent location-based keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching to have their custom pools in Austin and the surrounding area. Now, Google, they don't rate your page based on appearance. They use robots that are crawlers and they go and they index each one of these pages looking for content and your keywords so that they can rank you and put your website in front of those customers, which is why it's really, really important that for every single different type of pool, spa, outdoor living, water features, etc., that you have a separate page with its own content and those keywords so that people can find you for each of those items, as well as each of the service areas that you service. So that's really going to be important. Your number one competitor, as you probably know, is Cody Pools. They also have a very nice website. And as you can see, they have good content and they're going after those local buyer intent keywords that are helping them to rank number one. They have more content throughout their website. Their homepage really could use more content, but they have a number of different location pages that they service. They're able to rank in each of those areas because of that. And in addition, scrolling a little fast, I apologize. You'll notice that they have a separate page for everything that they're doing. So content is key when it comes to Google and ranking. This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your website has a rating of a 0.1 out of 100, which is very low. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You need to have good, high quality, authoritative backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you're going to need to have high authority backlinks, and you're going to need more than your top competitors in each of your service areas for each of the services you provide. Because you don't have a whole lot of content on your website, you only have 101 keywords currently being indexed, and you're only seeing 8 people on average to your website. So you're missing out on thousands of potential new customers. If we look at your top competitor, Cody Pools, you can see that they have a high ranking of a 35, and that's because they have 4,760 different backlinks. And they're really good, high quality backlinks. So it's going to be important that you're able to beat them on the backlinks and have better and higher authority backlinks. Because they have over 100 different pages, they're actually have over 6,000 different keywords that they're able to target and rank for. And because of how strong their website is, they're seeing over 9,500 people on average every single month to their website. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your website and your services, the more power it's going to give you. So it's really important to go after those quality, highly authoritative, do follow backlinks, and make sure that these backlinks are linking to your keywords. They work hand in hand, so it's really, really important. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps, the Google My Business section. Um, this is a really important section and it's highly competitive as well. And that's because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they don't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3 for each of your service areas and your services, you're giving that business to your competitors. In order to get in the top 3, there's a bunch of factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, and that's having your name, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. And so you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for your keywords and your service areas. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.